back to our today's class, and today we are going to be learning how to make a scrunchie. So this is the material that you need a rubber band, not your regular rubber band, those rubber bands that they used to use and pack hair. I don't know, not the regular rubber band. This one is very stretchy, like it's stretchy. I see how it is. It usually comes in pack, and my yarn and my hook. So let's get started. For you to make a scrunchie, you have to first of all single crochet around this band. You have to single crochet around this band. Single crochet around this band. Single crocheting around the band will make it, you will close up this band. It will not be showing the type of band you use, so you have to make it as tight as possible so that the band will not be showing. It's just like you crocheting around an earring. This is going to be your first row. Make sure you close up the band. As much as possible, try everything to close up the band as much as possible. Still trying to close up the band. By now, I hope you're so conversant with single crochet, because most of the thing you're going to be making, you'll be using single crochet. Remember, this band is very stretchy. It's very stretchy. Try as much as you can to close up everything. Then you slip stitch in the first single crochet that you did. So that's it. Let's go to the second row. So row 2, This is where the work will start. You chain 3, then each space you put 3 double crochet, each space 3 double crochet. Try and put 3 double crochet in each space. Each space 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, make sure you are placing 3 double crochet in each space. 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochet in each space. 1, 2, and 3. 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 Then you go 1, 2, 3. you slip stitch 1 2 3 in the last, in the first chain crochet that you did. That is the first place you started these ruffles. You slip stitch there. As you can see, it's already looking like a scrunch. You can leave it at this place. If you want it to be bigger, you add more. You can decide to still add that 3 in each stitch, or you add 1. For me, it depends on how big I want it to be. I can add 1, just do 1 2 and 3, and add 1 double crochet in each space. You add 1. Hope you are getting it. First of all, you single crochet around the circle. As you can see, you are no longer seeing that circle band. It has been covered. Then the second row, you do 3 double crochet in each single stitch. Then when you want to finish up, that's the row 3, you just do a single crochet. But if you want it to increase more, because the more the number in each stitch, the bigger it is. Are you getting the fact? Just this time around, I'm only crocheting 1 double crochet in each stitch. Just single crochet around this second row. So you single double crochet around the second row to make it fuller and bigger. So this is the outcome of the work. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it's fuller now. This is the back and this is the front. So for you to close it up, you have to slip stitch at least 3 places so it will not loose from that end. Just slip stitch as much as you can. You can now cut it. Then when you cut it, you can hide this yarn. See how to hide at the back. You hide the yarn. If you don't want to hide it, you can use lighter and burn that place so that it will melt. Like use your hand and stitch it up. So this way you have hid it. So this is it. You can use it to wear in your hand, you can use it to pack your hair depending on what you want.